Imagine you're 3 hours into a cross-country road trip. Your right foot is cramping up, so you reach over to set the cruise control, but absolutely nothing happens. Your speed keeps dropping, and suddenly your check engine light pops on. If you plug in a scanner, you might see code P0525. This code points to a range or performance issue within the cruise control servo control circuit. Now, cruise control is one of those features we completely take for granted until it stops working. In many vehicles, especially those that are a few years old, the engine control module, or EECM, manages your cruising speed by using a physical servo. Think of this servo as a little robotic foot that pulls on a throttle cable to maintain your speed, often relying on engine vacuum to do the heavy lift. When the computer detects that the electrical circuit controlling the servo is operating outside of its normal, expected parameters, it throws this code and usually disables the system entirely for your safety. A broken cruise control might seem like a minor inconvenience, but since this servo is directly linked to your throttle, a mechanical failure here could potentially cause your throttle to stick, which is a major safety hazard. So how do we tackle this? Pop the hood and locate the servo, which is usually bolted somewhere near the throttle body. Give the physical cable a really good visual inspection. You're looking for any fraying, kinks, or binding. If that cable does not move incredibly smoothly, the computer will interpret that resistance as a performance fault. Next, check the vacuum lines running to the servo. Engine heat completely destroys rubber over time, so if those lines look dry, rotted, cracked, or brittle, swap them out. It is one of the cheapest fixes you can do. Finally, check the electrical connector on the servo itself. Look for broken plastic tabs, loose wires, or green corrosion on the pins. A simple loose connection or a cracked vacuum hose is very often the sneaky culprit behind this frustrating code.